Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Ultipro account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Ultipro account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Ultipro login and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the search result of Google where you can see the login Ultipro at the top of the list. Click on that result and you'll be directed to the login page of Ultipro over here guys. So enter your email address with which you have created an account on the Ultipro, and after that enter your password over here. But guys, if you forgot on your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says reset your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Ultipro account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be down into your Ultipro account on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your Ultipro account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.